Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in South Asian cuisine, has garnered significant attention for its health benefits, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Over the past few years, turmeric has become a staple in various diets, touted for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But what exactly happens to your body when you consume turmeric consistently for 7 days? Here's a closer look at the potential changes you might experience. Day 1. Initial ingestion and absorption. On your first day of consuming turmeric, the body begins to absorb curcumin. This compound is fat-soluble, meaning it's best consumed with fats for optimal absorption. You might add turmeric to a smoothie, a curry, or even a warm glass of milk. As your body processes this spice, you might start to feel a slight increase in energy due to its potential to enhance metabolic function. Day 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. By the second day, the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin begin to take effect. If you suffer from chronic inflammation or conditions like arthritis, you might notice a decrease in joint pain and stiffness. Turmeric works by inhibiting the activity of certain enzymes that contribute to inflammation, allowing your body to start its healing process. Day 3. Digestive benefits. As you continue to incorporate turmeric into your meals, you may experience improvements in your digestive health. Turmeric has been known to stimulate bile production, which aids in fat digestion. Many people report reduced bloating and improved overall gut health. If you have conditions like irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), you may notice a reduction in symptoms. Day 4. Enhanced mood and cognitive function. On the fourth day, you might find that your mood has improved. Research suggests that curcumin may increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein linked to improved mood and cognitive function. This could result in enhanced focus and decreased feelings of anxiety or depression. The uplifting effect of turmeric can be an added bonus as you continue your journey. Day 5. Skin health improvements. By day 5, the skin may start to show signs of improvement. Turmeric is known for its antioxidant properties, which help combat oxidative stress and can lead to clearer, healthier skin. If you struggle with conditions like acne or eczema, you might notice a reduction in flare-ups. Some people even apply turmeric topically for its skin-soothing effects. Day 6. Immune system support. As you approach the end of your week, your immune system could be benefiting from the regular intake of turmeric. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help boost the immune response, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Many cultures have used turmeric as a natural remedy to ward off colds and flu. And after 6 days, you may find yourself feeling more resilient. Day 7. Overall wellness and vitality. On the final day, you might feel an overall sense of wellness and vitality. The cumulative effects of turmeric consumption can lead to enhanced energy levels, better digestion, reduced inflammation, and an uplifted mood. Some individuals also report improved sleep patterns, likely due to reduced pain and anxiety. Conclusion: incorporating turmeric into your diet for 7 days can lead to various positive changes in your body, from reduced inflammation and enhanced digestion to improved mood and skin health. The benefits of this golden spice are substantial. However, it's essential to remember that individual results may vary, and it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Enjoy your culinary adventures with turmeric and embrace the journey toward better health.